Now, I would like to introduce you guys to ConnectGenie's job cover letter writing feature. In order to see this feature, how it works, go to LinkedIn's job section, go to any job, you will see ConnectGenie icon. Hover over it, and you will see the job menu option. Click on this, and you will see this model window, which has the job title, the company which has posted the job, the skills that have been required in this job, and the job description. Now you need to simply create a job profile. You can do that by either uploading a resume, which I can do that by simply doing that. Our AI will fetch all the details and create a job profile for you in a matter of seconds. See, the job profile section, it got updated with the resume that I posted. You can even import your LinkedIn profile to create a job profile. Let's suppose that I paste my LinkedIn profile URL over here and click import. It will go fetch the details from my profile, fetch all the skills, and then create a job profile that is based on my LinkedIn profile. Now you can simply generate a cover letter. Now this cover letter is a unique proposal that satisfies the job requirement according to my job profile, and it's very unique.